Hello, hello. We got volume. Alright, so really there's nothing I'm honestly interested in except AI, but I can't short it, so I'm not really interested in it. It's hard to borrow. Let's go see if we got. I could get Bless me. I could go see if I could pull up shorts, see if I could do a short locate, but it cost me too much money, so I'm not gonna do that. If I had a bigger account, maybe it'd be worth it, but it's $25 every time I do a short locate, so I'm not going to be doing that today. I barely would probably make 25 on it. Alright, let me look at some other stuff. There's MU on the charts. We can put MU up there. Let me take a look here. MU's down 2.3%. Not really that interesting. It's got a decent daily chart. Here, just look at it up here. Here's AI. As you can see, it's crashing down below the 200 now. Oh, guess not. Gotta zoom out. Who knows? So on the daily, I don't need any of these levels anymore. It's just not important. So yeah, as you can see here, we're crashing. Don't really have any support anywhere down here on AI. Maybe this 18, whatever the high on this is, 1820. Which is literally exactly where we are. Maybe that's support, but I don't know. Look at the 1 minute chart here. It looks kind of crazy. I wouldn't buy it. It has the ability to crash substantially. I can tell you that much. Been through it. Lost a lot of money on that stock. Friday I traded it. Didn't want to do a breakout, of course. MU, as you can see here, we got some room to run to the downside. Basically to 57.82. I don't know if it'll get down there today. It doesn't really seem like it will. SPY, the Dow, and the Qs are all very, very slightly down. I didn't do any research on any of these stocks yet. ALB, I don't even know what this stock is. Gapping up, but you see previous gap ups don't really do anything for us. Keep it on watch, but Tesla. Honestly, for Tesla today, I'd look for a bounce. Yeah, I would say long Tesla. It's definitely a good bounce. It doesn't ever stay down here, and the fact that it's staying down here is kind of surprising. This is a supply zone or a demand zone. As you can see here, we have the wicks on the candles. Tesla could be a good trade today. So I'll definitely put Tesla up there. FSLR here. Okay, so yeah, this could be a good trader today. Problem is volume. So volume on FSLR is not looking good. KO. Alright, so yeah. Tesla, look for a long. FSLR could actually be a good short. I know we don't have the volume, but it's a short. It's not a long. So it doesn't matter as much. MU, and then we're going to go ahead and watch AI. And then we're going to go ahead and put Tesla is in a demand zone. We don't want to see it break under the close here. 163. You don't want to see it break under that 163 level. Fuck. All right. Should be good to go now. I don't know what KO is. Not that interesting. A lot of up. Okay, Tesla, don't want to see it get below that 163 level. I'm gonna go long over 165 Tesla. Long. I'm long Tesla. Remember Tesla, we are in a very large demand zone, so this could be a very good trade. I'll take a few more shares actually. Not yet though. Okay, like I said, you don't want to see it break down under that 163, so 163 will be my stop. It's about $1.50 stop. Little over $1.50 stop here. Market is coming up, but if we do get under that 163, it's going to go ahead and be an out for me, which is alright. Okay, we just broke down on Tesla. Not going to stay in it. Looks like it's a short now. Not too worried about it. FSLR is breaking down. Holy shit. Look for the bounce off of 200 and then the short opportunity to come back down under that. So MU, careful. FSLR is completely down right now. Looking for under 200. Look for the bounce and then a reshort for that under 200. Looking for it to get under 200 today. It's gone down quite a bit. I'm waiting for a bounce and then being able to short it to the downside. Just wait. It's got to have a bounce here. Needs to have a bounce. FSLR. MU almost looks like a short there, doesn't it? Gotta wait on it. Let's see if FSLR can get bought up here. Low of 202.58, looking for the break under 200. Here's the buyers coming in. They're starting to step up finally. Gonna short it at that 206. That'll be VWAP. Could wait a little bit longer than that. Large spreads. Gotta wait on FSLR here. You really do. I just shorted at the lows FSLR here. It's not the ideal place to short. It is not the ideal place to short, but I'm shorting for a breakdown under 200 now. I repeat, it's not the ideal place to short. So two things could happen here. We could have a big bounce off of 200, or we could have a complete breakdown under 200. FSLR seems like it's trying to base, but then it doesn't. But then it does, then it doesn't. I'm going to take a small win there on FSLR. I'm going to wait for a better entry. That'll be a 5-minute pull-up. What's MU doing? So MU is still moving up. That's going to be a no-go. No. Amazon looks like a breakout trade. No. Still looking for FSLR short. It's got to come back up, test the VWAP for me to want to. It's either got to, like I said, we either have to bounce off of the 200 decently or a dead cat bounce, or we need to get up to that VWAP so I can short it back down safely. Two ways we can go about this. Tesla came back up. Um, Tesla could be a very good long right here for a breakout. Like I said, I was going to ride it. This is why. Look at the daily chart here. Looking for a move up over this high of 169, 170. I could be wrong again. We'll see what happens here. I hate this fucking chart. The problem is my stop's all the way still down here. All the way 162.72 now. Curious if this could actually be a swing trade. But I don't like it for a swing. I mean, I do like it as a swing. I don't want to swing it. It's a problem. Still haven't gotten down to 200 on FSLR here. I want to see buyers come in. I'm not seeing the buyers come in like I want yet. AI possible short squeeze here on a fail. See what we can do here in Tesla up to 170 today, possibly. It's going to be a long trade if I stay in Tesla. Although I want to trade FSLR here, I just want a bigger pop up, hopefully to the VWAP so I can reshort it down to the downside. That would be the safe play, the safer play in FSLR here. I still like Tesla's chart here. Still think we move up today rather than down. Huh. This is called an engulfing candle, this green one behind this red one, or in front. I guess you would say behind. Big engulfing green candle, which is bullish. Doesn't always mean it's going to go bullish. FSLR finally getting a little bit of a pull up here. Can it continue though? FSLR didn't have a big enough pull up for me. Still very extended on the 5-minute chart. Very extended here. We have support at 200, obviously. 199.96 is actually pretty good support. Market's still moving up. I'd expect Tesla to continue moving up due to its daily chart. Although it's obviously debatable at this point until we get a breakout over yesterday's highs. 166, need a breakout over 166 on Tesla to really get us over our threshold. 165.65 was the highest that we went today. I want to see a breakout over 166. I thought we were going to get it on this last pull. We didn't. Just fine. Look for VWAP off another move back to the upside off of VWAP. Don't really want to turn this into a swing trade, but if we have to, it's not ideal. Because obviously the daily is going to go one way or the other. Being Tesla, you really never know what it's going to do. But Tesla usually has quite a bit of strength. It is a little bit divergent from the overall market, considering we're moving down. Overall market has done nothing but move up today so far. But we still have this engulfing green candle, which is bullish. It's just debating where you take it at. Is Tesla just going to whipsaw me today? Is the better question here. We're under VWAP here on Tesla. Let's see if we close a 1-minute candle under VWAP. If we do, I'll get out. It's trying. See if we can close this above. 10 seconds here. Close above 45. 3 seconds. Did not close. I'm out. Not gonna mess with Tesla anymore today. Interested in FSLR though. Still did not get all the way up to where we wanted to get. 5-minute chart's very extended, as you can see on FSLR here. Of course, what did it fake me out here on Tesla? Yeah, it faked me out here on Tesla. See what happens. Daily's still gonna move one way or the other here. Has a gap fill, but that doesn't mean much in intraday trading. FSLR could be a short here. At 204.22 is the VWAP, so I'd be looking to short around there. Short right there at the VWAP. Break over the VWAP could make us sell out here. See how it reacts on the VWAP here. Want to see it come back down and break 201.27, possibly 200. Otherwise, we'll trade out for a small loss, hopefully. Knew exactly what it was doing there. Gonna go long. Last time I'm long on Tesla. Probably going to hold it for most of the day. It's range bound trading in Tesla here. Still don't know which way it's gonna go here. In terms of on the daily chart of Tesla, it's either gonna go short, go, or it's gonna go long, I guess. But Of course, I didn't see anything that I liked today. Tesla has yet to pick a direction for the day. Tesla is so interesting. Of course, Friday I come in and I trade it absolutely perfectly. 3 trades completely perfectly, know exactly what it's going to do. Of course, it was a gap and go. But, and today I just get completely chopped up on Tesla. It's interesting. Maybe I just got to start taking only the best and leaving the rest. So that means you won't see me as much. Not that anybody really watches this, but I won't be trading every day if I trade the best because I wouldn't have traded today. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It's really all you can do. Trade what you know. Just the gap and goes that were just not. AI was supposed to be one, but I didn't trust it because of its ability to go wicked, which it absolutely did. MU I haven't trusted in a while because it usually doesn't trade very well at all in terms of gap and goes. Tesla can spike out of nowhere and then go right back down to the downside on gap and go days. FSLR, don't usually trade it, but this was bad right out of the gate. Of course, everything's diverging from the market today. Which, whatever, but alright.